Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your air conditioner from cooling mode to heating mode. This is very useful, especially during the winter season. So let's get started. First, make sure your air conditioner supports heating mode. Not all air conditioners have this function. Now take your remote control and turn on the air conditioner. Next, press the mode button on the remote. Keep pressing it until you see heat mode, usually shown by a sun symbol. After selecting heat mode, set the temperature higher than the room temperature, for example, 26 or 28 degrees Celsius. Wait a few minutes. In heating mode, the air conditioner may take some time before warm air starts coming out. This is normal, so don't worry. Finally, adjust the fan speed and airflow direction as you like. When the air conditioner is set to heating mode, the indoor fan may not start immediately. This is normal. The system waits until the indoor coil becomes warm to avoid blowing cold air into the room. After a few minutes, once the temperature is high enough, the fan will turn on automatically. And that's it. Now your air conditioner is working in heating mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more air conditioner tips.